Hi, my name's Lucy Wilcox. I've been designing gardens for over 15 years, and I'm going to be sharing with you some of the things that I've learnt along the way. So today I'm going to be talking you through some really good design points on how to design small spaces. When I first came to see this garden, it was just white rendered walls, artificial lawn and an outdoor kitchen unit, a really uninspiring space. And we wanted to turn it into a really usable, friendly, inviting, entertaining space, and also somewhere that you could cook outside. So with this project, it being a small garden, I wanted to treat it like it was an interior design scheme. So I was creating the ultimate outdoor room. So I was thinking about the ceilings, the walls, the floors, the furniture and accessories that we were going to have in this space. And the one thing that I thought of in this space straight away was to create some sort of structure. Pergolas in a small garden have a great use because they make the garden feel wider. They create a fantastic intimate space underneath it. They draw your eye into the space. And of course, you can train climbers along them. You can replicate a pergola like this using galvanised wire. If your fences or walls are high enough, obviously if they're strong enough, and make sure that you get permission from your neighbours before you start attaching galvanised wire to the top of their fences. The temptation in small gardens is to use small elements, but what you want to do is the opposite. You want to create the illusion of a bigger space. So you want to use large format pavers, large comfortable seating appropriate to the size of the space. More importantly, really big pots. We knew our pots were going to be a main feature in this space, and we loved the colour that they came in. And so we used this as the basis for our colour scheme. In small spaces, I always try and use a really dark colour on the walls or the fences because it visually pushes the walls away. It's also a brilliant backdrop for planting. And in contrast to that, in this space, I used a really pale pink, which equally made the space feel bigger. It's really important in small spaces to use reliable, hard-working plants because you want to get a really good display all year round. And for that, I always use really good evergreens. Now, this is the Star of Jasmine, which is a great climate. It has a beautiful white flower in the summer, which has the most beautiful, heady, musky scent. And it's night releasing, which is great in the evening when you want to sit outside. This is also another great plant, which is an evergreen grass. It gives you movement and structure in the space. It's fantastic. And in pots, one great tip for you that I've got is to always make sure to get some contrast in form and texture, that you've got a pillar, a spiller, and a filler. To create an inviting and welcoming, entertaining space in your garden for the evenings, think about using really warm and subtle lighting. In this garden, we use these gorgeous pendant lights, which create such a warm glow. It creates a beautiful atmosphere. You can replicate the same thing in your own garden by using festoon lights. They're perfect for that, and they help create the ultimate outdoor room. The beauty of small gardens is that you can apply these points, make small changes which have a big impact. Enjoy the process and make it your own.